Today I'm cooking kangkung or water spinach as a simple side dish with only 4 ingredients, so easy and fast. It is recommended to cook just before servings. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of kangkung or water spinach or morning glory, clean and washed, 1 tablespoon of onion oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, cut the kangkung into 2 inches in length. I have separated the leaf and the stem into different basins. Give them a final wash before cooking to remove any remaining dirt or debris. Switch on the heat to medium. Add all the kangkung stem. Cover the pan and cook for 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, stir and rotate the kangkung stem to cook them evenly. Then add all the leaves and stir for about 30 seconds. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 1 more minute as kangkung leaves cook really fast. After 1 minute, give it a stir. Notice that kangkung has released a lot of water here. I will discard the water as I prefer my dish to be dry. Put the pan back on the stove. Add all the onion oil, oyster sauce, and half of the crispy fried shallots. Stir to mix it well for 10 to 15 seconds. Switch off the heat and the simple stir-fried kangkung is ready to be served. Transfer to a serving plate and garnish with balance of the crispy fried shallots. Let's eat! It's sweet and very delicious. The stems are well cooked and still crunchy, while the leaves are smooth and very tasty. This will be perfect side dish with nasi lemak or sambal. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!